వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ రిలేటెడ్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ మాట్లాడబోతున్నాం. సో వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్. ఈ టాపిక్ నుంచి పక్కాగా క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ అయితే హైలీ ఉన్నాయి మనకి. సో లెట్స్ టాక్ అబౌట్ ద టాపిక్ ఇండియా స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ ఫారెస్ట్ రిపోర్ట్ 2021. దిస్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ ISFR రిపోర్ట్ 2021. ఓకే, దీని గురించి 2021లో రిలీజ్ అయిన రిపోర్ట్ గురించి ఎందుకు మాట్లాడుకోవాలి అంటే 2021 తర్వాత ఎలాంటి రిపోర్ట్ కూడా రిలీజ్ అవ్వలేదు. అందుకు దిస్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రిగార్డింగ్ గ్రూప్ 2 మెయిన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్. మనం రీసెంట్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో ఎప్పుడు కూడా సెన్సెస్ 2011 చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఎందుకు అంటే 2011 తర్వాత సెన్సెస్ అనేది రిలీజ్ అవ్వలేదు. అందుకు 2011 సెన్సెస్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు మనకి ఏ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్లో కూడా వచ్చే క్వశ్చన్స్ అవి. సో అలాంటిదే ఈ ఏరియా ఒకటి. ఇండియా స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ ఫారెస్ట్ రిపోర్ట్, దిస్ ఈజ్ పబ్లిష్డ్ బై Forest Survey of India. This is published every 2 years. This is a biennial report, so that is why it is published every 2 years. This Forest Survey of India works under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. This report is 17th edition. So first edition has been released in 1987. So first report has been released in 1987. So 17th edition report is released in 2021. Okay, now let us talk about some definitions which are very important regarding this report and which are included in that report. If we know these definitions, then we can have a better understanding of this report. So first one is forest cover. What is forest cover? Forest cover means area should be more than 1 hectare in extent, and canopy density should be more than 10%. So this is forest area. So the area should be more than 1 hectare in extent and canopy density should be more than 10%. That is forest area. Now tree cover. What is tree cover? So tree cover means tree patches which are outside the forest. Tree patches. సో మనకి అక్కడక్కడ మనకి కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి ఏంటి ట్రీస్. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ట్రీ కవర్. ఓకే, నౌ సో ఇన్ దిస్ సర్వే 3 types ఆఫ్ ఫారెస్ట్ ఆర్ సర్వేడ్. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ డెన్స్ ఫారెస్ట్, moderately dense forest, open forest. In this, what are dense forests? The canopy density should be more than 70%. Moderately dense forest, canopy density should be 40 to 70%. And open forest, the canopy density must be 10 to 40%. It is assessed that in this report, very dense forests have shown increase and moderately dense forests shown that decline. And one more term we have to know that here, that is shrubs. This is not categorized as forest and the canopy density less than 10%. So these are called shrubs. Now let us see the uniqueness of this report. For the first time, the Forest Survey of India has assessed the forest cover in 4 regions. Tiger reserves, second one tiger corridors, third one Gir forest, fourth one home of Asiatic lions. Now the Forest Survey of India has observed that forest cover has been decreased in these tiger reserves 0.04%. Forest cover has been increased in tiger corridors, that is 0.32%. Now we have to know very important fact that there are 55 tiger reserves in India at present. 55 tiger reserves. So what is the 55th tiger reserve? Dholpur, 55th Dholpur Karauli tiger reserve, that is located in Rajasthan. So highest forest cover, the tiger reserve which is having highest forest cover is Pakke tiger reserve. Pakke. So where is it located? Pakke Tiger Reserve is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Now let's talk about the another component. Forest cover well increased in 3 regions. Those 3 regions are Buxa, Annamalai and Indravati Tiger Reserve. So Indravati Tiger Reserve is located in Chhattisgarh, Annamalai located in Tamil Nadu, Buxa located in West Bengal. Highest losses found in 3 regions, that is Kaval, which is located in Telangana. Next one, Bhadra, which is located in Karnataka, and Sundarban, that is located in West Bengal. Let's see key findings of the report. First one is increase in area and forest cover. In India, approximately 80.9 million hectares is covered under the tree area and forest cover. This is 24.62% of total geographical area of the country, in which forest cover is 21.71% and tree cover is 2.91%. It's very important. Question can be asked from this area. Next one, states that have shown increase. So I have taken the reference of PIB. Here, states that have shown increase: Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Odisha. ఇవి ఎలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి? ఫస్ట్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్, దానిపైన తెలంగాణ ఉంటుంది, దానిపైన ఒడిస్సా ఉంటుంది. సో అలా మనం ఈజీగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవచ్చు. కొన్ని ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్ ఏం చేశాయంటే ఈ రెండింటిని ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేస్తూ చెప్పడం జరిగింది, కానీ నేనైతే పిఐబి రిఫరెన్స్ మాత్రం తీసుకున్నాను. స్టేట్స్ దట్ హ్యావ్ షోన్ డిక్లైన్, దోస్ ఆర్ అరుణాచల్ ప్రదేశ్, మణిపూర్, మేఘాలయ, మిజోరాం and Nagaland. Overall, these northeastern states have shown decline in forest area. Decline in forest area. Very important. This point is very important. Next one is states with highest forest area are covered. Here there are two components, that is area wise and forest cover as total percentage of geographical area of the country. Area wise, highest forest cover Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Maharashtra. Forest area cover as percentage of total geographical area: Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland. Next one is mangroves. There has been 17 square kilometers increase in mangroves. So in which there are 3 states which have shown increase in mangroves. First one is Odisha, Maharashtra and Karnataka. In Odisha 8 square kilometers, Maharashtra 4 square kilometers and in Karnataka 3 square kilometers. Forests prone to fire. In India, totally 46% of forests are prone to fires, in which 81% extremely prone, 7.85% very highly prone and 11.51% highly prone. By the year 2030, in India, 45 to 64% of forests will experience the effects of climate change and rise in temperatures. Very important point. Forests in all states are highly vulnerable by the year 2030 except Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Tripura and Nagaland. Except these states, forests in all states are highly vulnerable by the year 2030. Ladakh is likely to be more affected. Next one is carbon stock. It is estimated that 7,204 million tons and bamboo forests in the year 2019, this is the 16th edition. 17th edition is this one, 2021. 2019 is 16th edition. In 16th edition, it is estimated that 13,882 million combs, this is combs means stems. In the year 2020, it is increased to 53,336 million combs in the year 2021. Now, forest cover in major cities. So the forest cover in major cities, in the cities, 3 cities have shown increase in the forest cover, that is Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. If we go through this report clearly, each point one by one, there is a high chance of getting a question in Group 2 mains examination. Thank you for watching.